Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Every day we discover the vibration of the day. And you may then discover the vibration inside of you. That's what it's all about. You have your own blueprint. The day has its own blueprint. Everything has a blueprint. Today is Friday, and Friday is the day of the Idealist. Idealist. Yeah. Looking at things in the positive. Not seeing the negative. And that would be taking positivity too far. But choosing to focus on the positive rather than the negative. It's all about purity. Friday is about purity of thought. Purity of mind, purity of being, purity of intentions. The great musician Sun Ra was a spiritual idealist. He was a Raja yogi. Just like the Thelonious Monk and Anthony Bourdain and me. Here's what Sun Ra had to say about purity. Well, he also said space is the place. Oh, and sound too, right? It's about the senses. So the sense of hearing is a big one for Friday, and music, right? If you're not pure, then you are not sound, said Sun Ra. If you're not pure, then you're not sound. Pure is real sincerity, and pure knows pure is sound and more than true. Pure music is what you must face. It's all what the music say of you. It's not what the music you say of it. If education systems fail, it's not pure music's fault. In education's sanctuaries, perhaps pure music still is not allowed. If governmental systems fail, it is not pure music's fault. In government sanctuaries, too, pure music has no department birth. Listen deeply to this and cogitate. It is sound, sound, sound that makes the body sound. It is sound, sound, sound that makes the sound mind sound. It is sound, 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 sound that makes the spirit be sound. A sound foundation is the key to locked door fate's eternity. It is sound and sound again that makes the voice of silence heard. So tune into some music today. Sun Ra, Monk, Johnny Cash. And you'll feel this energy of the idealist, no matter where you have it in your blueprint. And find out where you have it. Call me. Give me a call. I can share it with you. Positivity. Positively. You know what I mean?